John Kabakis here with another edition of My Take. And I got some exciting details about the Chicago Shenanigans, which is coming up next weekend, the 13th through the 15th. Let me tell you how this is going to roll out. Some of this you're familiar with, but keep listening because I've got new details and some pretty exciting news. So, on Thursday, the 12th, Kelly and I will arrive in South Bend, Indiana. We'll be staying at the Spring Hill Suites in the university area. Now, if you're coming in on Thursday, let us know. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to sit down and have a little bit of fellowship before all the festivities begin on Friday. Now, Friday morning at 10 o'clock, we will meet at the Studebaker Museum, the National Studebaker Museum. Admission will be $12. And once we get in there and once we collect everybody, they'll take us on a special guided tour of the mansion and part of the facility. Now that will go until 11:30, at which time we will sit down and have a box lunch right there at the museum for $12.50. It'll be extra above the admission, but it's going to be a great lunch. I've been talking to Ken there. He's doing a really good job putting things together for us. I need to know if you're coming so that we can have a lunch for you. So I'll give you my email address. You'll be able to contact me. And some of you have my phone number too, so we'll give you that. Now, when we're done at the museum, we'll go over to the South Bend Chocolate Factory. A fantastic place. We'll do a tour there. It's relatively brief. We get a chance to buy some really excellent chocolate, some of the best I've had, in particular here in the United States. Really, really good chocolate. So I hope you'll be able to join us for that too. Once we're done at the chocolate factory, we'll head for Chicago. Jeff Lane is arranging dinner in Chicago at 6 o'clock. I don't have the location yet, but you can contact him and let him know that you're coming. I'll give you his email address a couple times here. He needs to know how many to set the reservation for, so make sure you contact Jeff. Let him know if you're interested in having dinner. Then we'll go to our rooms. The next morning, if you're down in the Spring Hill Suites area, we'd love to have breakfast with you. But we'll all go up to the 143rd Automobilia Show at the William Tell Inn at Countryside. Now, this show has grown exponentially. There are going to be a lot of dealers there, a lot of different scales. Concentrations on 143rd still. A lot of the familiar dealers that you've seen there before will be there, but there'll be some new ones too. Some of the things you'll be able to see and buy at that show will be Jeff Lane's 1965 Buick Riviera, Second City Motors, commissioned through Brooklyn. Very limited edition. If you want one, you really need to contact Jeff and let him know. He'll have them at the show. You'll be able to pick them up there. But we'll have some stuff in our booth too. Now, Dave Gilbert couldn't make it, so he has sent some special, exclusive, limited editions that he has available. I've got them right here, and let me tell you something. These are going to, you know what, I'm going to wait to show them to you in Chicago. But there's going to be a special price on them, and these are going to blow your mind. You're going to love it. Okay, we've got prototypes and pre-production samples coming from GLM. You know how they support the show. Sergio is sending a selection of his brand new models, and once again, Sergio has been a supporter of the show for a long time, and we really appreciate his help. He's as excited as we are. So that show will go from 10 till 2. Then we will have dinner in LaGrange at Aurelio's, a familiar place for all of you. Once again, Jeff Lane is arranging that. You need to contact Jeff and let him know if you're going to dinner on Saturday night. Now, Sunday morning is the Countryside Collectors Classic Show over the Union Hall across the street from the William Tell Inn. Now, you can get early admittance there at 7:30 when all the dealers go in. It's $25 to get in. You get a chance to see everything as they're set up. If you're looking for the deals, that's when they're available. General admission is at 10 o'clock. And once again, we're going to have everything there in our booth, and Jeff will be there as well. We've got a couple people coming in that are going to sell some stuff. Randy Rusk is going to have some stuff to sell. And so there's going to be a lot to choose from. But here's the exciting news. We've got all the GLM stuff. We've got all the Goldvark stuff. Brooklyn, who supports these shows with, they just jump in with both feet, and they do a fantastic job. They've been working with us for a long time. Well, they have sent 4 Lansdowne Metros. Now, we're going to give one of them away on Saturday, and we're going to give 2 of them away at the show. We're going to hold one back and give that away on the Brooklyn and SMTS Facebook page so that those guys get a chance to participate in the segment too. But the other thing is, Brooklyn's sending a prototype. One that you have not seen before. I don't have it, so I can't show it to you now. kind of going to let that wait until we get to the show. But let me tell you something, it's going to be a fantastic model, and you'll be one of the first people to get to see it. Now, there are going to be all sorts of things going on as well throughout Sunday. The show goes until 2 o'clock. As usual, there'll be a short meeting at Rafferty's for all the people who want to commiserate and share notes, and then we can head home. So it's going to be a fantastic weekend. I'll give you the contact information once again. If you have any questions, send me a note. If you're coming, let me know that you're coming. We're still getting people that want to come to the museum. I need to know ahead of time so we have the right number of box lunches for everybody. Really looking forward to seeing you. If you can't make it to the show, we'll be taking pictures and interviews and videos and the whole thing, and we'll document it as best we can so that you can see the excitement too. Maybe next year you'll be able to come. Hey, thanks for listening. If you like the video, give me a like down there in the right-hand corner. Love to have you as a subscriber. I'll be back again soon with more content.